Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw from Google Cloud Invoicing Refunds, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin, log in to your Google Cloud account. Navigate to the Google Cloud Console dashboard. On the left-hand menu, look for the Billing section. Click on Billing to access your billing details. Once in the Billing section, locate the Transactions tab. Click on the Transactions tab to view your recent transactions. From the list of transactions, find the invoice related to the refund. Select the invoice you wish to withdraw from. Confirm that this invoice has a status indicating it's eligible for a refund. Next, click on the Actions button associated with the invoice. In the drop-down menu, select Request Refund. A new window will appear with details about the refund process. Review the refund terms and conditions carefully. If you agree, check the acknowledgement box. Then, fill out any required information in the refund request form. Make sure to include a brief justification for the refund request. Review all the information you have entered to ensure accuracy. Once confirmed, click the Submit button to process your request. After submission, you will see a confirmation message on the screen. You may also receive a confirmation email regarding your refund request. Keep track of the refund status by returning to the Transactions tab. If necessary, follow up with Google Cloud Support for any questions. Wait for the processing time as specified in the refund policy. Monitor your billing account to see the refund reflected in your balance. Once the refund is processed, you will receive a notification. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.